लाइट की स्पीड सच में कांस्टेंट?
Good day, dear listeners, and a very warm welcome to all of you. आज हम एक ऐसे टॉपिक पर बात करने वाले हैं जो हमारे यूनिवर्स के हर कोने में डीप implications रखता है।
Indeed, Viral. It's about a fundamental question, isn't it? The very nature or speed of light. बहुत ही intriguing subject, अगर आप मुझसे पूछो तो। Absolutely, निकुंज। हम सब ने सुना है, light is the fastest thing. उसकी speed, c, as physicists call it, is constant. But is it truly constant? या फिर, what if it's not? Exactly. That's the wild thought experiment हम आज explore करने वाले हैं। Imagine if the speed of light decided to change. क्या होगा? हमारी reality कैसे बदल जाएगी?
तैयार रहिए for a truly cosmic ride. हम आपको ले चलेंगे एक ऐसे सफर पर जहां हम लाइट की स्पीड के राज खोलेंगे और उसके बदलने पर होने वाले माइंड ब्लोइंग कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Right then, let's start with the basics, shall we? What exactly is a wave? Generally speaking, a wave is a disturbance. ये energy transfer करती है, but not matter. बिल्कुल, जैसे if you drop a pebble in a pond, एक ripple बनता है ना, वो ripple energy carry कर रहा है। पानी खुद तो आगे नहीं जा रहा, just up down motion. Correct. और फिर आती हैं अपनी transverse waves. This is where the oscillations are perpendicular to the direction of travel. And guess what falls into this category, mate? Light. बिल्कुल. Light is a perfect example. ये एक electromagnetic wave है और उसकी speed को हम c से denote करते हैं. A universal constant, right?
Indeed, ये कोई नया कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं। Its story is quite old. मैक्सवेल ने अपनी इक्वेशंस में predicted this fixed speed. उस वक्त तो साइंटिस्ट्स को फुल्ली समझ भी नहीं आया हा लाइट का नेचर क्या है। फिर भी ये नंबर आया।
Sounds like a theoretical concept, doesn't it? But you know, it's not just some abstract idea. It's a real world, daily life proven fact. हम इसे हर दिन यूज करते हैं, unknowingly, right? अगर relativity नहीं होती, तो हमारी GPS satellites बिल्कुल काम नहीं करती. Their clocks tick at a slightly different speed, because they're in space. They experience less gravity, which is a form of time dilation.
ये एक subtle difference है, लेकिन बहुत important. ये माइक्रोसेकंड के करेक्शंस अगर हम ना करें, तो आपकी मैप्स में एरर 10 से 20 किलोमीटर्स का दिखेगा। Imagine that.
Just imagine your Uber dropping you off 20 kilometers away from your actual destination. That's a bit of a trek, isn't it? Haha, that would certainly be a nuisance. So, it's not just an assumption. It's not just a best fit theory. The constancy of light speed. It's a proven fact, tested in our everyday lives.
Exactly. हम जो यूनिवर्स देखते हैं, जो फिजिक्स हम पढ़ते हैं, जो टेक्नोलॉजी हम यूज करते हैं, वो सब c के कांस्टेंट होने पर बेस्ड है।
Now for the fun part, the thought experiment. What if light की speed बदल जाए? This is where things get truly mind-bending. Absolutely. अगर c change हो गया, तो physics का पूरा foundation, it would just crumble, wouldn't it? Every single formula, हर interaction, from quantum mechanics to galaxies, everything is tied to c. It's like pulling one thread from a beautifully knitted jumper. The entire garment, it just unravels, doesn't it? Our whole understanding of the cosmos would simply fall apart.
बिल्कुल। So let's play this out. First scenario. अगर लाइट की स्पीड डिक्रीज हो जाए, क्या होगा?
Well, for starters, time perception. Sunlight would take, say, 1 hour to reach us, instead of the usual 8 minutes. So we'd always be seeing a past version of the sun. And stars? Even older. Technology and clocks, mate, they would just crash. Time measurement would become utterly unreliable. Our electronics, all built on rapid signal processing, kaput.
GPS तो खत्म। स्पेस मिशंस इम्पॉसिबल। कम्युनिकेशन डिलेज इतना ज्यादा हो जाएगा कि it would be pointless. Think about it.
And imagine a delayed reflection in a mirror. You wave, and your reflection waves back after a significant pause. Eerie, isn't it? Quite unsettling. Seriously? That sounds like a scene straight out of a horror film. Not keen on that, I must say. Indeed. So, on to the flip side then. What if the speed of light increases? Now that's an interesting thought.
अगर C बढ़ जाए तो क्या पॉजिटिव चेंजेस आ सकते हैं?
Oh, loads. Enhanced communication. Sunlight would reach us in, say, 2 minutes instead of 8. Cosmic communication would be almost instant. Interstellar information delay? Near zero. Space travel would become far easier. Reduced time dilation. Travelers would age much slower compared to Earthbound individuals, making long journeys more feasible. But here's the kicker, mate. E equals mc squared. That famous equation. If c increases, then c squared increases exponentially. Imagine the boom in mass-to-energy conversion. Every little bit of mass could convert into a crazy amount of energy. Stars, including our very own sun, they would burn faster and die quicker.
ये तो बहुत ही ड्रास्टिक है. A much shorter, fast-paced universe lifespan. हमारी यूनिवर्स जो 13.8 बिलियन years old है, वो तो बहुत छोटी हो जाती.
And speaking of the universe's age, it's all calculated using its expansion rate, which, you guessed it, relies on c. So if c changes, the age of the universe changes. Exactly. And the predicted end of the universe, the heat death, where everything spreads out so much, that energy transfer simply ceases. If c was different, that end could be here, much, much sooner. Philosophical question here. If interactions cease, what truly remains of the universe? Just spread out particles? Is that still a universe? So, what's the key takeaway here, chaps? I mean, after all this cosmic pondering, well, the speed of light. It's a rock-solid constant, absolutely essential for the universe's structure. Without it, everything unravels. It's not just some abstract theory. It's been validated, tested in the real world, every single day.
ये कोई बेस्ट फिट थ्योरी नहीं है दोस्तों. इट्स अ रियल वर्ल्ड टेस्टेड ट्रूथ. एक छोटा सा भी चेंज इस सी में हमारी पूरी रियलिटी को अनरावर कर देगा.
It certainly gives you pause, doesn't it? To think that one constant holds the entire fabric of reality together. It's almost like the universe has its own rulebook. And C is not just a number. It's the rulebook itself, governing stability or predictability in the entire cosmos. And that's the beauty of science, isn't it? The human drive to ask these questions, to explore, never stopping in the pursuit of knowledge.
बिल्कुल. द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. ये सिर्फ एक नंबर नहीं है. ये हमारा कॉस्मिक बीकन है, गाइडिंग अस, स्टेबलाइजिंग अस, आज भी और हमेशा भी.
A truly mind-expanding discussion, team. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Absolutely brilliant. Thanks for joining us. Indeed. Keep questioning. Keep exploring.
So, that's all for today's episode. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and keep wondering.